know what struck me is that in any of the rooms I was in today, there are a bunch of like-minded partners. It gives all of us a forum to come together, discuss the critical issues, and really prepares us to just advocate for the things that we all share a common interest in.
It's important to have gatherings such as this, the state of reform, bringing together policymakers, legislators to really look at what we can do to focus on creating a better and more sustainable Hawaii for our future generations.
What I really heard here were themes that I've heard on a very micro scale, but now I can put it into context and see if what they're doing would work for the population I'm caring for.
This is really good. I think each of the sessions, you can see the passion, the interest, confronting the challenge. Let's talk about what we can look to do, what we're doing, how we might approach things. A lot of opportunity for how we collaborate, how we engage.
The strategy we're all familiar with is just throw more monies at the same thing. We need to start looking at different innovative ways to meet people where they are. And I think this is a place to have that kind of discussion about all the important stakeholders at how we fund it, to what level do we fund it.
Oftentimes we're siloed, and in those silos we assume we know what's best for the community. I think what this offers is an opportunity to de-silo and then also to be able to get community perspective.
Healthcare is not a singular monolithic thing, but it is caring about people. And because people in Hawaii care about each other, because we're willing to think of things differently. This is aloha. Looking at this, thinking about people in terms of what their lives are, you think about their true self and what their needs are, and we get there.
It's been a great networking opportunity that I know who to tap into, to work with, to network with, to try and build solutions together.
So it's really important that people have opportunities like this. A lot of healthcare is about relationships. And so the stronger the relationships are, the less likely it is that someone's going to fall through the cracks.
Really great presentations, broad spectrum of topics, and what are some of the solutions or what are the things that we can work on.
This is the only event that I can think of that brings together the entire continuum of dialogue. To have all of that convened on one day is just really amazing.
We are so grateful that we are right here, right now, with you, working in a meaningful way to make a difference for our communities and for the people of Hawaii.